Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we got this 2005 Hyundai Tucson. We called it Tucson in Asia. So this car was bought here last night, got towed last night because complained no crank, no start. So the owner was driving and then suddenly the car lose power. Luckily there's a gas station close to him, so he pulled over there and that's it. They tried to jump start the car, but it only works for a few seconds and then the car dies. So for today we are going to diagnose it and hopefully we could fix it today. So let's get started. So upon investigating, I found out that, I don't know if you could see it, the alternator belt is gone. Hold on. So I think this is your AC belt. So there's no belt in there. I don't know what happened, but it seems like it got snapped. And also that's the center pulley. I think that's for the water pump. Oh boy, you couldn't see it, but there's the alternator right there. Let me come on, right there. See that? That's the pulley for the alternator. And there's no more belt. I'm trying to check where's the belt. Probably fell over there, but no. Anyway, let's check the car and let's see underneath. And I think this is 2.7, no, 2.0. So 4 liters, not 4 liters, 4 cylinder. This is 2.0 liters engine right there on the top, and this is 4 cylinder, not V6. Okay, let me jack the car. And before we jack the car, I already print out the alternator belt for this car. By the way, our Pro Demand was down for a couple of days for maintenance, and it's back. So I'm using Pro Demand. So it seems like it doesn't have any tensioner. Wow, so how do we gonna put it back? I mean, put a brand new belt. Probably I'm gonna use a zip tie. Probably tie it at the bottom and tie it there, and then try to like twist this, chick, and then the belt will installed. Okay, all right. Okay, let's start with the tire. Okay, we're using number, what's this, 21. All right. Oh boy, got stuck. Let me kick it. Kick it. There you go. That's how you do it. Kick it. All right. Let's see what it looks like in here. Wow. I need to remove this. I think that's number 10. Let me get number 10. Oh, okay. There's a number 10 in here. Number 10 bolt. Wow. Come on. There you go. Really, that's it. Wow, that was fast. Holy smoky. One sec. Alright. Right there. This looks like brand new. Anyway. Look at this. I think this is the leftover of this. What the? Leftover for the alternator belt. Holy smoky. What the? Wow, look at this. What the heck? I think this one has no AC belt. Look at that. Oh, look at this. This is for the AC, and if you see it in here, it's not shiny. So they haven't used this for a long period of time. Look at, it's not shiny, meaning this one has no AC belt, but it's okay. The car will work even though it has no AC belt. It's just that you don't have air condition. But our alternator belt is over here. So this one. So this is what we are going to fix. I really don't know if you could see that. Oh yeah. So alternator belt. So let's get an alternator belt. Okay, so upon investigating why the belt snap, look at this. Your alternator pulley won't spin. This should be spinning. Look at, I couldn't even push it. This is already stuck. So we got two problems. The alternator belt, we need to replace it, and the alternator itself. And this is the cause why the belt got snapped. Look at. Let me check this one too. This one is your crankshaft pulley. So this only will move with, you know, when you turn it on. Turn it. You muscle it. This one is moving. See that? This is your, I think this is your what, water pump, I think. But it's spinning. Oh wow. Okay. So let me call the customer and let's see what his plan. So let's call Lordco. The customer wanna know how much is the parts. So let's call Lordco Auto Parts and let's see how much is the alternator and the alternator belt. So where was that? Lordco, come on. Okay, here we go.
Morning, Lord Car Purchasing.
Hey, do you have a alternator for 05 Hyundai Tucson 2.0 liters engine?
05 Hyundai Tucson.
Yeah.
And what filter, sir?
Alternator.
Oh, alternator. And for the 2.7 liter?
2.0.
All-wheel drive or front-wheel drive?
Front wheel drive.
Yeah, we have a remanufactured one in stock, 407 with a $70 core fee. We got a new one for $579.11. Those are both AC Delco. We have a Denso one.
How much is the Denso?
It's $463 and it's a new one.
463. And about the cheaper one? How much is the cheaper one?
$407 with a $70 core fee.
Wow. And how about the belt?
AC Delco.
Belt also, yeah. So 400 plus belt.
alternator serpentine belt, we don't have in stock. We would have to transfer it in. It would be here Monday. No store Richmond doesn't have it. No close by store has it, but it's $40.
$40 for the alternator belt. It's not available. Okay, I'll let the customer know and I'll get back to you. Anyway, thanks, man. Okay, bye.
Alright, bye.
Okay, so the alternator is really expensive. It's almost $500, and the belt is just 40. So he'll gonna spend probably 550. Wow, I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna call the customer again and let's see how it goes.
Thank you for calling Open Road Hyundai Richmond, now located back in the Richmond Auto Mall. For our hours in operation and address, please visit our website at openroadhyundairichmond.com. If you know your party's extension, please dial it at any time. For sales, press 1. For service, press 2. For parts, press 3. For all other
We need parts, so press 3. Come on, come on. What the heck? Why they're not answering? They said they already open. Okay, anyway, let's try other auto parts store. Let's try Westcan. This is one of the auto parts that sell cheap parts.
Spencer here.
Hey, I just want to ask, how much is your alternator for 05 Hyundai Tucson?
Okay. 2018 Tucson?
05.
Okay. V6?
No, 4-cylinder, 2.0 liters.
And you want an alternator, right?
Yeah. Front wheel drive.
I got a Denso one in stock at $315.61 versus compared to a standard that's $217.09. And Wilson alternator is $217.09 and Denso's $315.61.
So it's available in your
Metrotown store.
Metrotown. Oh, Metrotown, not on.
Coquitlam?
No, Burnaby.
Edmonds? Yeah, Burnaby.
Okay,
Imperial
Burnaby.
Street.
Impressive, yeah, perfect. Okay, okay. I'm just gonna. How about the belt?
Sorry?
The belt too? Do you have the belt?
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah. So.
And with the account Braswin Alamay?
Yep, that's my account.
Yeah, I got a belt in stock by a brand called Daco. That's about $23.59.
Okay, perfect. If it's available in your store, I'll be there probably an hour. And
So, did you want to reserve the $217 alternator or free 15?
I'll do the cheaper one, 215.
With the one by Wilson, no problem. I'll have them all reserved in the store, ready for your pickup.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, we got we get cheaper one, the cheaper one, because the customer doesn't want to spend too much money in this. Look at this, it's almost junk car, but anyway, at least almost half compared to Lordco, almost $500. We can probably spend less than $300 for the parts. Well, it is what it is, because these cars, look at, man, no AC. And then if you see, I'm not gonna show it to you anymore, but there's a lot of problem with this car. But anyway, it is what it is.